Hey, it's Friday once again, and we've got another lick. But before I play the lick for you, or before you hear the lick, I've just got to say thanks to Blackstar for this little thing. Look at that, it's well cute, isn't it? Yeah, so they've sent me this nice little amp. So it sounds absolutely amazing. Size of it, small. Sound, big. What more could you want? But I'll do a demo on that at some point soon, so please watch out for that. But for now, let's just put it aside and get on with the lick. Yeah, here it is. That was your lick, the lick that you are going to learn. So, well, there you go. It's kind of Dorian-like in places actually, and totally different from the last 2 weeks where we had the Iron Maiden rock stuff. So some people will be pleased about that. It's a little bit easier on the fingers, and the bends on this are kind of the thing that you're going to need to watch for. So one of them is nice and slow and controlled at the end, and it's only a semitone. So yeah, really take note of the breakdown when we go through it. Before we do that, social media stuff, please come along and say hi on that and subscribe and all that sort of malarkey. Is it subscribe? No, I don't know. Like my pages and whatever it is. The cards that pop up will give you different things to look at as you go through. And yeah, that's it. So let's sort of jump in with the breakdown, I think. Yeah, we should. Let's go. With this lick, you can play it in the position where I've written it out and that you can see on screen, or you can take it down to that lower register. So it's up to you, but it's basically the same thing, just taken down an octave. But without dwelling on that too much, let's get this breakdown sorted out. So get rid of that here. First little lick is actually a really nice lick. It's kind of got that Lynyrd Skynyrd sort of free type playing, Kossoff type thing. So practice that on its own if you just want to take that out as a lick. But what we've got is the 15th fret. I'm kind of barring that, or like a mini bar with your first finger on the second and first strings. Then I'm picking the second string and hammering on to the 17th fret. And then I'm picking the first string, which you've already got barred anyway, on that 15th fret. So after you've done that twice, you go back to the 17th fret for a semitone bend, but the bend itself is a slow increase, so you get that. So you're not going to bend it straight away into that semitone note. So you get, okay. After you've done that little section, it's moving basically up 1 fret to the 18th fret, and then you're going to go bend up and let down. So, and coming down the same string, 17th fret and then 15th fret. So the 18 on the 3rd string, this is coming down the blues scale now, onto the 17th fret on that same string. Then you've got 15th fret, hammer on to 16, 3rd string again, and then it's the 17th fret on the 4th string, 17th fret on the 5th string, and then you do 15 on the 4th, and then it's 17 4th string, 17 on the 5th string. So you get basically, okay, then it's the 15 on the 4th string, down the blues scale on that 5th string, which is 17, 16 and 15. And then your 13, same string, so the 5th string, 13th fret, and then it's, you can do a little blues curl on that if you want to. It's finish with the, not finish, sorry, you've got the 15th fret on the 6th string, get it right in a second. Hold that, and then you bring either your little finger or your third finger across to the 18th fret on the 2nd string, and then slide up to the 20th fret with vibrato to finish. So you get that. Now that slide is basically on the beat, so you're not going to emphasize the 18th fret, you're going to strike and slide straight away. So you should really only be hearing the majority of the note is that 20th fret. The rest of it is just like a slur into. And that is the lick. So I'll play it for you slowly now, and then yeah, it's all down to you guys. So here we go. 3 and 4 and... So that's it for this week. That's all done. I hope to see you all next week for week 165, I think. Can't remember now. I hope you enjoyed these licks, but please stay tuned for the backing track coming up in just a second.